People love to have a snack of hummus and pita chips, but my hummus recipe uses butter beans instead of the traditional chickpeas. Along with garlic, lemon, tahini, and olive oil, butter beans makes the hummus creamier and richer and gives a flavor you'll want to keep coming back to over and over. Hi everyone, welcome to today's episode of Let's Celebrate TV. I'm your host, Peter Lee. Today, our celebration is all about snack time. We're making butter bean hummus. So let's get started. Butter bean hummus. It's my take on a traditional hummus, and I'm using butter beans instead of chickpeas. I have here my nice big food processor, good old faithful. And I need 2 cans of butter beans. Now, what are butter beans? I get them in cans like this. Butter beans are essentially just lima beans. They are white instead of green, sometimes a little bigger. It's just a type of lima bean. You can get them canned or dried. I like them canned for this application. So I need 2 of these cans. Each of these cans is 15 ounces or 429 grams. And here they are. All I've done is I've drained the liquid and I reserved that liquid in case I need it later. So right into the food processor. Next, we want some garlic. I like it really garlicky. I've got 2 cloves. Here they are, and I just finely grated them. I ran them across my microplaner to get them really finely. That's going to help that garlic flavor really come out. Again, right in. Lemon is next. I need the zest of a lemon. Easy enough. We've done that before. And then the juice of that same lemon. And please, use fresh. It makes such a difference. Right in. Ooh. That's 1/2. And the other. Ooh, very juicy lemon. Okay. Next is tahini. What is tahini, you're asking? Tahini is a paste made of roasted sesame seeds. I get it in a can like this. Sometimes you can find it in a squeeze bottle. If you can't find it in your grocery store, ask them. They'll point you in the right direction. And, if they don't carry it, then shop somewhere else. This stuff is delicious. It's similar in taste to peanut butter, but a little more complex. And you'll be surprised how often you'll go to this to put it in a recipe. Today, I need 3/4 cup or 190 grams. This is what it looks like when it comes out of the can. Right in. Salt and pepper is next. Good pinch of salt. And a good grinding of pepper. Now, I'm using white pepper today because I don't want the little black spots. I just want it to all blend together. Good grinding. All right, now I'm going to put the lid on and we're going to process this till it's into a nice paste. See if we need to scrape it down. Not really, but that's looking good. It's still a little thick. I'm going to put my lid back on. And I'm going to add olive oil next. I'm going to start my processor running. And then I'm going to add just 2 ounces or 60 mils of extra virgin olive oil. Right in. Looks like it's almost there. Still a little thick. So here is where that liquid from the butter beans comes in handy. I have it here. I just drained it, about a cup out. And we're just going to add a teaspoon or so at a time, which is about 5 mils, just to loosen up a little more. Why use this instead of water? This has all the flavor of the butter beans, and it's just going to keep it all consistent and enhance their flavor. So we'll put this on. And that was about all we needed. I put in 3, which equals out to 15 mils or a tablespoon. It'll vary each time you do it, so that's why I keep some aside. So let's take a look. Ooh, smells wonderful. And it's time for our favorite time. It's time for the tasting. Let me have my wine at the ready. I have a little plate here with some peppers and a little pita bread that I cut up. I'm just going to spoon some out for a little taste. No one will notice later. Beautiful. Look at that. Pretty. So let's give it a taste. I'm going to use this pepper right here. Look. Wow. It's creamy. It's rich. Power from the garlic, but it's not overpowering. Let's try a little pita bread too. That's very good. With the pepper, it's crunchy. The sweetness mends well with the garlic. With the pita bread, it's warming, it's soft and unctuous and beautiful. Just need a little wine to wash it down. That's good stuff. So how would you serve this? If it were me, and it usually is, I would put this into a bowl, very pretty bowl. I would top it with some extra virgin olive oil, just a drizzle, maybe some chopped up parsley or some mint. You could do whatever you wanted. You could have pine nuts or chili flakes if you want a little more spice. Roasted red peppers would be nice. Then I would put that bowl on a platter, and on the platter I would surround the bowl with cut up vegetables and crackers and pita breads, beautiful colorful things to make it all highlight. All right, as always, we'll see you on Tuesdays for our regular episodes, Fridays for Cocktail Fridays, and every other Sunday for our live streams. So while I go eat my little snack here, I want you to watch some of these videos over here. Until next time, cheers.